Hello guys, I'm Harun Quest to tell you in this tutorial how to rescue your Gmail password. In case someone who has stolen your Gmail password, forgot your Gmail password. Here is a little bit exceptional case guys. This story has been recommended by one viewer who has lost his device. So give me a 5 minute to the rescue of its life. Unfortunately, losing of his device especially, now is not in a position to rescue his RA because of he doesn't have the recovery email and the recovery phone. So just when we try with alternative options, it's not giving much more alternative options so that we can rescue of it. But don't worry, this can be the possible. How it is? Google will clue to rescue it. We don't have a phone number, so now see here, we can see needs to verify of these ones. Now of course we will wait here. Now see, you did not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is really yours. Yes, why these kind of options are asking for? There's info to secure your accounts. Friends, got it? Yes, to recover your accounts, try again and answer the questions. Yes, we are not going with this option. Second, is especially given some that if your account is managed with any alternative email or family links, then we have sent emails to your parents to change your password. We don't have, so we create both options. Then how can I possible to make secure, or of course how can I rescue option this area? Of course this can be the possible. We will come to setting to, of course we will have to come to the Play Store. In the Play Store there we will have to download this Chrome beta. Tap on this especially Play Store, and now it's installing. On the other hand, let's quickly do changes. This is very crucial. Of course we know that how many browser is working in your smartphone. Take it any smartphone and apply similar strategy. We have one Google browser, so tap on app info, scan how many browser are you using, because this is a crucial step that we will have to execute. So here, yes, we will make it off notifications. Then of course we will back, we will come the permission, we will have to navigate the locations to off the precise location. So this is very crucial importance. Of course for time being I'm doing it. So now no longer the function as intended of this browser. We will back one more time, and here is that open by defaults, that make it enable and close 4-5 times. We will have to click on and close it. Fines. Now we will cut it directly from here. Similar as we know that on a Chrome browser also we are having. So just tap on this, and now the browser has been installed. So here just we will come in notification. Let's do quick. Yes, we will back and we will come in the permissions to, of course we will have to tap on the location, make it the precise location off, then click on don't allow anyway, and thereupon of course we have done. So let it cut from here, and we will go for open this ones. When we tap on this, and then what's going to happen here, we will check it out. Here is ID that is yes from my phone is, so no problem at all. We will have to rescue of that particular ID. That is, of course I will show you here. Let's see right here. Yes, simply we will have to write Google. So if you write on a Google, so what will happen guys, here is especially options that directly at the corner of the sign in. Tap on this sign ins. When we tap on the sign ins, just we will go for especially skips everything, and now here of course make the cut of the translate options guys on this browser. Lot of the feature is the givens. Of course here we will write that is particular, of course ID was started RO this array, it was especially. Of course, so just we will tap to our next, and when we tap to the next, what's going to happen? It is asking a password. Don't worry guys, just wait 1 minute more. Now see here is asking so the phone number, so device has been the exceptional option. Yes, one more option has been given. We'll have to tap on this, and we are waiting for next options. Fines. Of course, so we came on here. Try another way. We will tap on it. Here is asking so this phone number has been registered with this. Don't click call text on both options. Otherwise, hacker would directly tag it that. Of course, someone is trying to the rescue of this. Now you did not provide. Here is having this, but here is the option also given that more tips to the rest of this. Don't click on here, try again, so otherwise Google will trust easily that I'm the trying to the rescue of the particular ID is by a different browser. But here's the more tips to other rescue. This has been given by using this feature. Of course, this ID quickly can be recovered. How it is possible? We'll cut it from here and simply we will go in a setting of your phones. When we tap on the phone, so what will happen, guys? Of course, don't worry. Click on especially Google services and the preferences. Of course, preferences, and here we will have a help options. Just we will go for. Now Google will rescue it, and don't worry, guys. Here what we will have to do. Here simply we will have to let me here. Here is a secure hacked, and of course secure a hacked, or yes, compromised, especially as we know that this Gmail account. So when we tap on it, what's going to happen here? What we will have to do, just we will tap on here and we can check it out. This one, see here, just we will come on here. Let me a little bit, it's scrolling much more, guys. Here, just we will come on review your account activities, and this smartly we will have to tap on this. So here is a find out if your account has been hacked. What do you say, guys? Here just tap on it, and upon what we will do, just we will come on the upper page of this. Here is especially recovery dashboards, and click on it and see, don't do anything. So guys, here extra, just simply we'll have to pick this ID that we would like to recover and see here what's going to happen. Don't do anything, don't do anything, just wait for these ones. Now here, what do you say? What we will do, guys? Here, yes, don't click here also on a continue, otherwise you would be trapped in its verify option. So what we will purpose to the pros, yes, tap on update password. When we tap on that, now that we have the strong opportunity to create the strong password. What do you say? Yes, here, don't do anything. After changing password, save it and we continue login. Alright, don't log out. And upon there, you will have to go in a Google account management, and there you will have a security options there. Firstly, you will have to add a especially alternative email. After adding that, then you have to remove yes recovery number that was added, then you will have to add. So when you remove a special alternative recovery phone number, then it will ask OTP. So OTP would be sent on your that you have added an alternative email, and thereupon after having the prompts in there, you can remove easily this phone number that is registered with this area, and you can add a new phone number, guys. I hope you understand that I'm trying to say. These things we cannot do right now on a live screen because this would be in a public domain and maybe the concerns data privacy, so that's why actually of this viewer. So this is all about, guys. Now we will have to create the strong password and we will have to deliver this viewer. So further any inquiry, of course I have the query below the comment box, so please would you manage to reply your query. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.